So here at my house we have a gas furnace. We're about to turn it on. Oh yeah, I never asked if it was good to turn it back on yet. But yeah, we have a gas furnace. And it's all the way off even though it's really cold outside. Because my mom just dropped a lit sear right down the freaking cold air return. Oh, I forgot to shut it off. Close the light. Close the light. My grandparents said close the light. And now I'm heading to the store for a second time. Because I got the wrong thing, but when I come back, I'll see if I can show it running. So yeah, I'll see you then. Okay, now I'm back. I got the right kind of detergent this time. But now, I'm gonna have to see. Come in here and check and make sure that everything is A-okay. Nothing. I don't smell anything suspicious, especially coming from right here. And I don't see anything in the chamber. That's a good thing too. Maybe. And we can't see the PVC pipes. Yeah. These are the exhaust pipes. Run the fan, make sure nothing happens. Okay. I don't see anything. Okay. So yeah, it's an Amana Gas Furnace. It's a slow fan, but very powerful nonetheless. Alright, I think it's time that we kick on the pilot and see if we can get the heat going again. I mean, it's still pretty warm around here, so that's good. So, I'm gonna set this back to 68. Okay, I don't think it's calling for heat just yet. So, I think it's still cool enough upstairs for it to be off. Yeah, still no flame. I don't know how long it takes to initialize. I don't really know much about furnaces. It's a 2 or 3 stage furnace, I think. I don't know much about these, especially with gas furnaces. But yeah, I mean, nothing seemed off about the thing. The filter. It doesn't seem like anything got caught in it. That's always a good thing. These must be the people who installed it. What's the date on this thing? I don't know, it doesn't have a date on it. How about the machine itself? I don't know. But plenty of piping, gas furnace, and there's gonna be gas lines. Yeah, it doesn't seem like there was any. I guess it was too warm for it to call for heat. I don't know why. Thought I heard something. There it goes. Okay, got it to go now. I guess it just wasn't quite there. See if we got a light. Something. Yep, there it goes. The pilot light's back. This thing sounds pretty freaking cool. I must admit the noise that it makes is pretty cool. So yeah, the pilot light's back on. Whoa, I almost knocked those over. What are these, buckets? It seems to be vibrating, but the fan seems to be coming on. I think. Yeah, the heat's the fan's definitely on. Up there it goes. This is the one that goes up to my room, because this one's making that knocking sound. So there's something like... So... Sounds a little loose. But that's okay, I actually listen for that sound in the vent to tell whether the heat's on. Okay, yeah, it scared me for a second. I didn't know if it was gonna turn back on. Alright, let's get the lights turned off down here, because landlord specifically says not to leave the lights on. Obviously, I'm going to abide by those rules. Hey, there's the furnace room. And it says here, front doors to be kept locked. Lights in the hall, basement, and front porch are to be turned off when it's not in use. Use only small picture hooks or straight pins to hang things on walls. Laundry room facilities to be used only between 8 a.m. and 11 p.m. in consideration of other tenants, which there aren't any others, but yeah. No smoking in laundry room. File left behind washers to be turned off when washers not in use. Windscreen and dryers to be cleaned after every load. Don't leave the house when using the washer and dryer. Share and cleaning mutually used areas. And yeah, that is. Take them. Okay. Now, I don't hear anything off. It sounds pretty normal. That was it. Goodbye. Oh yeah, right before we go, guess it would be convenient to show off the outdoor pipes. Those are the pipes. There's stuff in the heat. It's windy out here. They're very big pipes. Yeah, before we went, I actually forgot about that. Okay. You can hear it's really going. Yeah, I guess we can shut the basement lid off. Okay. It's like a really big cold air return. Wow, this one really, you can really feel the air going through there. I mean, the fan may be slow, it's very powerful. I believe the furnace is right below me right here. Here, down there. Might be able to hear the pipes a little bit. Front a little. Upstairs. It's coming out here. You can hear the pipes through there. Turn this off for a second. And then shut the door. It's very loud out there. Might be able to hear the thunking sound. Maybe not. It's already very warm in here. That's why I had that closed with the fan running. There's the key. He's very cute. Yeah, that'll be it for today's video. Sorry for it being so long. Yeah, it was an Amana Gas Furnace. And this time I'm going out for real.